Hey Matt, how do you research a company before deciding whether it's worth investing in?
Yeah, the job of an investor really comes down to one question. You're trying to figure out what would that company sell for on a per share basis if it were being looked at by a private buyer in what we would call an arm's length transaction. So we're really trying to determine private transaction value or hypothetical private transaction value. And all of the research is in service of answering that question. So you can think about it from a quantitative perspective. You want to read the financial statements, you want to read the notes. It helps to go back a few years and sort of look at trends. And then, of course, the most important question is you have to understand what the company does and how it makes money. And then you want to get into more qualitative questions too about does it have a sustainable competitive advantage? What do we think its earnings will be in 5 years, in 10 years? So, all of these questions come in. A big part of it is going to be in researching the industry itself. So, we want to understand the economics of the industry. So, when I look at a company, even with as much experience as I have, I might still put in 70 to 100 hours of research into that one company because I'm just trying to understand the industry. If it's an industry that I'm familiar with, it might be less time. But that's really the research process. You're trying to figure out what is that company worth? What would that company be worth in a private transaction? And what are the factors that go into that valuation?